Hey, what's up? This is a review of the 2020 Buick Encore GX with a sport package. Now when you get the Buick Encore with a sport package, you're also going to get the 1.3 liter engine and the regular 9-speed transmission, not the CVT. This is a smaller SUV, but it's got plenty of room on the inside. I don't know if they call it crossover or what they call it. But with incentives and rebates, you're looking at the mid-20s for this. And for what it offers in the mid-20s is absolutely mind-boggling. This is also all-wheel drive, which is available on the GX. I don't know if you can see it, but there's an illumination down there. Supposedly, if you do this, although I'm out of the car with the keys, so it's probably not going to work. But you normally put your foot under it when you're coming out and it'll open, or you can push here, or there's a place inside you can push. Tons of room. This floor, it's got a full size, or it's got a regular spare. It's a donut, but it's a regular spare. This floor will come up or down, I don't know, 2 inches, so that it's absolutely sets flat right here. Or you can drop it down so that you've got a catch. This thing here still haven't quite figured it out. It works if you've got the car ain't running. It works. You just walk up and touch it. But they've got buttons up here and stuff. I'm sure I'm doing something wrong there. It's got backup sensors, forward sensors, blind spot. Keyless entry, remote doors, decent amount of room back here, ice cold air conditioning, luggage rack. Now I wouldn't mind sitting back there for an hour or two, but I wouldn't want to sit back there for a 10-hour trip. It's got powered windows, powered seat on this side, automatic up and down windows. Look at that heads-up display. And let's see if we can figure out how to shut it down here. See that adjusts. Can you see that? That adjusts the display. And this over here closes it down and opens it up. Or that shuts it off and opens it up. And there we go. I was pushing the button wrong. It'll close it down. It'll open it up. There's your display again. It's got all your hands-free voice and lane departure. It'll hold you in your lane in most places. If you took your hands off the wheel, it'll keep you in your lane. It's also got forward collision, forward blind spot. It's got a really decent it's got a GPS, which that GPS can be opened into full screen. It's got all kinds of apps and everything else. It's automatic. It's got the remote start on and off down here. It's got lane departure, traction control. There's your all-wheel drive button. This is cloth leather trimmed. Everything's good. These brighten and get brighter as they open. It's got a really nice stereo in it. And by the way, here's where you can open and close the trunk. You can set it to maximum or 3/4. Let's see if I can move in a little bit more. There you go. From inside the car. It's got all your inside lights and everything. Auto. It's set on auto. And it's even got automatic high beams right here. Cruise control, automatic and intermittent wipers so that, you know, they'll go every 10 seconds or 20 seconds. It's got a rear wiper. It's also intermittent. It's got auto climate control. You can also sync them or individually change the temperatures. It's got some storage over there in the glove box. It's got a little bit of storage here under this. You pull that tray out and it'll go all the way down to the bottom. I mean, we're talking mid-20s here, and this thing is absolutely loaded. It's got OnStar and all that stuff. It's got, you know, wireless hotspot, individual user controls, Android Auto, Marketplace, Alexa, just tons of stuff I haven't even got into yet. And it gets in the high 20s on gas mileage, 28, 29 maybe. And again, this is for the mid-20s on price. I mean, front seat room, I'm 6'2", 250. I have no issues whatsoever. If I move it forward a little bit, I can still drive comfortably. I don't have to be all the way back. And I can sit in the back seat. My knees may touch slightly, depending on if I have this seat mostly back. If I move it forward just a little bit, it don't. And it's pretty comfortable, especially for a small SUV. And I wouldn't mind riding back there for an hour or 2 hours, but I wouldn't want to go cross country, you know, 8 hours every day or something. It could be done and it wouldn't be miserable by no means, but you know, if you're a little bit smaller of a person, you wouldn't have any trouble. Here's your hazard lights over here. It's got all your airbags. It's got your OnStar and emergency and SOS, all that good stuff up here. It's got the 1.3 liter engine, like I said, with the 9-speed auto transmission. It's all-wheel drive. That comes only in the GX. And if you're going to get this, I would get the GX. You know, like I said, with incentives and stuff, you're in the mid-20s. And for all the options packed on this, in the mid-20s, it's incredible. Here's your emergency brake. Just pull it up. It's got a capless fuel filter. So, hey, knee bolster airbags too. Airbags up here, over here. Ice cold air. Down here in Florida, it gets hot. This air can keep this like a refrigerator in here. Alright, guys and gals, that's all I got for you on this review of the 2020 Buick Encore GX. Please share and subscribe. Peace. Gee, just when you think you've done, you realize you forgot another important thing. Let me show you. You got these home buttons, the back buttons, and everything like that. But let me show you something here. It's kind of important. You got a camera, not just a camera. You got forward-facing camera, wide and narrow. There's back. There's forward. There's forward wide and narrow. There's back wide and narrow. This right here, it looks down on the front of your car or the back of your car. This right here goes down the sides, both sides. And this looks down the back side. Let me put this on forward again. This here takes the grids off or the grids on. Let me find the back up again. See, the grids are on, the grids are off. And then this right here is an overhead image projection right there. Can't believe I forgot that stuff. So now we're done. Peace. Thank you for watching.